That lady is beautiful.
Does the poor boy know that you have HIV?
Jesus Christ.
In spite of the pain, the shame, and the suffering, all the trauma, what will be? In spite of the pain, the shame, and the suffering, all the trauma.
The story is a very sad one.
You came into my house with an HIV-infected body, and you expect me to give you an award for excellency, right? Now I am something I'm doing now. When I saw that, when you pack your rugs and you get out of my house and out of my life.
Joyce reported to me that you have been making sexual advances at her to the point of touching her breast.
Stand up like that.
But I will keep quiet before I lose my cool.
Yeah. Can I find out whether it is?
Right.
So let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. You didn't use a condom.
I'm sorry.
It will be bloody. And not bloody. You get up and go dancing and singing. Meanwhile, I don't see any change in your outlook.